Oh, I gotta pass people. I just need one mirror. Come on. Like, taking up the whole road. Oh, pop. What are we doing? I don't know what he's doing. Who knows? It's like... Woohoo! People coming out of the gas station all crazily. See, that would be Moto Madness going, yeah, oh my God, what you doing? And waving your hand and stuff. People are nuts. Just, why would you do that? I just go around. He stopped. Even if he did, I was going to go around. Toot, toot, toot. You got like idiots out here. Yep, I flicked that person off. I mean, there was no reason to do that. There was no reason to be like, oh my God, I gotta get on there. So go by your freaking turn, come down here, turn around, go back. It's not that hard. Yeah, you might blew 5 minutes, but in the grand scheme of things, it's nothing. I will say, Ryan and Marcel would get better dash cam footage. Because running a quality camera like a GoPro versus the E Ultra dash cam, which quite frankly is okay, but it kind of stinks. It's one thing I hate about cities and riding is the long ass lights while you're sitting out here in the sun. It's like, oh geez, come on. It's worse in the summer. At least right now it's not too bad. And then you get the person that goes. I just go around. It's not even worth flicking off or anything. It's like, what are you doing pulling in front of somebody? I just go around smoothly. That's how I handle most situations. I don't take it as a like, oh my God, I don't think my life was in danger there. I just think the person is a complete moron. I know this lane, well, it really doesn't end because I'm turning right anyways. I'm not getting on the interstate. I mean, Oh, this should be interesting up here. The stupid X intersection getting onto Academy. It's crazy. They're gonna go? Maybe. I mean, I know it's a cube, but come on. Yeah, I'm not gonna wait here. Should be fun. This is sporting because you turn and like you lose the lane. It's like the stupidest design. And it's like this X intersection. And of course Academy is busy and everyone here wants to go on Academy, but nothing on the sign tells you like, hey, you lose this lane within like 50 feet. I'm on a motorcycle, so I can kind of, you know, pinch my way, squeeze my way over. If these people go, and if not, we'll figure it out, won't we? Woohoo! Yep. Then you have to merge again, and of course people over here are retarded. So, I mean, it's crazy. Wow! The wind like blew me. Yay. It's windy out today. Yeah, I'm getting blown to the right. Need to keep moving. You know what I would wish the dash had? A clock. A clock is a very handy thing to have. Hey, Trout. Hey, you're so sexy. Hunting and fishing fun conservation license plate. Catch and release. Well, why even bother catching them if you're not going to eat them? That's my thing. I think catch them, eat them. If you're not eating them, why even bother? Yeah, who knows? People are weird. It would be like saying, well, how about shooting a deer and releasing? I'm gonna fix its wound, heal it, and release it into the wild. Oh boy, which one's this? Jamboree? I need one more light. Get the app, book us with. What was I trying to say? Book with us? Get the app, book us with. Wow. Wouldn't want to call Z-Trip. I think I got up to 72, 74. Allegedly. I don't know. What's going on here? Wait. This car is in the bike lane. What are you doing? It was that car from earlier. They were like literally driving in the bike lane. again, this one outing, down and back, I found so many people just doing the worst driving ever. See, that didn't bother me. There was plenty of room. Looks like it's gonna rain up here. Well, we're gonna go ahead and pull in the gas station. It's a 2.5 gallon tank. You know, I've gone like just over 60 miles. So we're gonna see what, you know, what the damage is, how much gas I used. Okay, let's see, what's my mileage? 78 miles. I started with 17. So 61. What, this is a 2.5 gallon tank. So how much did I use? I usually go up to the filler neck. And that took 1.551 gallons. So that's not bad. 60 miles, 61 miles. So you probably get 80-mile range, I would guess. So that's not too bad of mileage, really. So I went 61, a lot of that was road. You're going out hitting Jeep trails and stuff. That's, for most people, that's gonna be pretty tiring, especially 80 miles. I'm just guesstimating there. 80, 90 miles, that's going to pretty much wear you out. So that's not too bad of mileage and what have you. So yeah. So hopefully you all enjoyed the video. Stay well, take care, my friends, and have a good one. Bye.